Hi everyone, I'm Astrid Daniela Galvez, and I'm a self-proclaimed accounting nerd. QuickBooks has invited me to give you a crash course on accounting fundamentals. Today we're starting with the basics to really help you get that foundation down. We're going over small business accounting and tips that will help you run your business more efficiently. If you want to read about all the tips, you can find a link to the article below. Before we get down to business, don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more videos like this. I know what you're thinking. An owner's job is to run their business. So why not let the business accounting to someone like me or a QuickBooks Live bookkeeper? Accountants and bookkeepers provide essential information to help you run your business. But they cannot run it for you. Knowing the numbers is vital for any small business owner looking to succeed. So let me tell you why. Small business accounting pulls together all the financial activity of a business. Basically, how much money is spent and how much money is earned. But it does a whole lot more. For example, it helps business owners keep tabs on assets, liabilities, and inventory. Particularly when entrepreneurs are starting out, they need to get a handle on the workings of their business and their financials. Staying close to this part of the business can help you keep things running efficiently and plan for the future. QuickBooks has a wide range of tools to help you easily manage your finances. If you want to learn more, check out the link below. Whether your business is big or small, knowing the numbers becomes child's play if you get into the accounting rhythm. The rhythm has 4 beats or tasks: weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Every week, it's essential to record all your transactions, document and file receipts, pay vendors, and send out invoices. By checking the cash position and reviewing your unpaid bills, you can forecast cash flow. This is particularly crucial for new businesses starting out. Being proactive makes monthly tasks so much easier. On a monthly basis, you want to balance your checkbook and review any money still owed on your past due receivables. It's also a good chance to review inventory and payroll, ensuring all necessary tax payments have been made. And it's a good time to check profit and loss and compare it with your previous month's projections so that you're not caught off guard. Many tax authorities require quarterly reporting, but if you kept up with monthly tasks, it should be a piece of cake. Reviewing the profit and loss for the quarter will show if the business is making money. It would also help you identify the trouble areas where sales and margins can be improved. At the end of the year, if there aren't any long-standing past due receivables, a decision must be made. Should they be sent to a collection agency or written off as a deductible? However, if you kept to the accounting rhythm, you can finish on an odd beat and hand over the annual reports to your accountant so they can file your tax return with confidence. QuickBooks Online can help you generate reports, manage taxes, and take care of other important accounting tasks. There's also many other videos in this series which will help you with bookkeeping tasks. So subscribe to the QuickBooks channel to learn more. And if you're still feeling uncertain, don't be afraid to speak with a professional like a QuickBooks Live bookkeeper. If you found this advice helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one.